Here I have TCL 30, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to go to phone application, then go to contacts list, select contact which you want to add photo, tap edit contact, then tap on the camera icon to edit photo. You can take photo or to just select one from the gallery. So let's select a photo. Here you can adjust this image just like this, and then tap save copy and then save. And as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.